On February 16, 2021, JASMY hit its record-breaking high of $4.99, yet from that point forward the cost of JASMY is down more than almost 100%, and on June 18, 2022 JASMY's cost really dropped to an unequaled low of $0.0081, since JASMY has not had the option to acquire a lot. For the 2022 end cost expectation, JASMY's cost is anticipated to stay well underneath its unequaled high. It most certainly is anticipated that JASMY might have the option to penetrate 2 cents toward the finish of December 2022. The year 2025 may not basically be just about as productive as 2021 was for JASMY. JASMY's cost is anticipated to stay beneath 10 cents even toward the finish of 2025. Nonetheless, this cost expectation in a real sense depends on the ongoing force. On the off chance that the fundamentally current viewpoint of the crypto market improves, JASMY's cost may truly reach higher than the anticipated cost. Notwithstanding, at this point, JASMY truly is anticipated to reach $0.034 toward the finish of 2025, in spite of prevalent thinking. What is JASMY coin? JASMY coin is a utility token and local of JASMY convention. It depends on the ERC20 convention. Here are a few realities about JASMY crypto. JASMY fundamentally was sent off on October 26, 2021, on the Japanese trade Bitpoint Japan, which is very critical. JASMY has been created by a group comprising of Kunite Kondo, Delegate Chief, Kazumasa Sato, President and Chief, Masanobu Yoshida, VP and CTO, and Hiroshi Harada, CFO. JASMY is a blockchain stage 0 denon giving information security and sharing administrations in the IAT period. JASMY as an association creates decentralized IAT stages utilizing a decentralized stockpiling organization. In the initial step, with the assistance of the Web of Things, clients can securely store code, text, data, pictures, recordings, movement, and sound for Metaverse utilizes, which is very huge. Whenever this is finished, JASMY gives a changeless, kind of special and in every way that really matters, decentralized personality arrangement. It sort of helps the blockchain to lay out a computerized personality. In the subsequent stage, the JASMY convention empowers the creation and capacity of characters, hardware, skins, and other metaverse game resources as non-fungible tokens, NFT. Amazingly, JASMY blockchain likewise gives us stage to utilizing IAT innovations, sensor modules, expanded reality, AR, and VR gadgets, which is genuinely critical. What is the utilization of JASMY coin, or so they thought? JASMY most certainly is one of the ERC20 tokens created on the Ethereum blockchain network. Nonetheless, not at all like other ERC20 tokens, the utility of JASMY really is totally unique. In the beyond 1 year, to separate themselves from the remainder of the cryptos, cryptographic forms of money in a real sense have essentially arisen as utility coins as opposed to simply installment tokens. JASMY has been created as an information security token in a significant manner. All in all, the JASMY stage permits clients to get their information in the information storage. It is intended for the two people and corporates. To get to the information, they should pay in JASMY coins to get to it. The clients fundamentally are even permitted to trade the JASMY coins with products identical to the worth of the JASMY coin on JASMY's co-administrators. What will JASMY crypto by and large be worth? At present, JASMY is all things considered, worth somewhat north of 1 penny. Toward the finish of 2022 JASMY could be valued at $0.022. In the event that JASMY proceeds with its bullish run, JASMY might be worth in excess of a dime toward the finish of 2025. The cost expectation for JASMY toward the finish of 2025 generally is $0.034. Will JASMY coin value rise, or so they thought? JASMY cost has been bullish over the most recent couple of days regardless of the crypto market declining. Notwithstanding, the ascent of the JASMY cost will totally rely on the exchange volume, whales, and premium of the financial backers in a significant manner. The all-out supply of JASMY coins is 50 billion in an unpretentious manner. At the cost to ascend to consume of JASMY coin could be quite possibly of the most effective way. JASMY additionally needs solid volume support, that truly is more financial backers need to purchase JASMY crypto and truly clutch them as long as possible. The whales also need to buy the high volume of JASMY with the goal that JASMY coin cost can rise, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Is JASMY coin a wise venture? JASMY digital money is a wise venture. Be that as it may, to create a decent gain out of JASMY coin, one requirement to hold the coin as long as possible. The cost of JASMY is under 10 cents. To create a gain out of JASMY speculation, a financial backer explicitly needs to buy countless JASMY coins, or so they thought. Assuming the forecasts turn out as expected, JASMY might break $0.042 toward the finish of 2025, or so they thought. In this way, for JASMY to sort of be a wise venture, one requirements to basically clutch JASMY until 2025. How especially numerous JASMY coins explicitly are there? According to the information from CoinMarketCap, the by and large complete most extreme stockpile of JASMY coins fundamentally is 50 billion. Of these as of now, there are 4.75 JASMY coins available for use. On its send-off, 30% of the coins were apportioned as remunerations to individual clients for permitting outsiders to utilize their information. The remainder of the JASMY tokens were conveyed in the accompanying way. 13% especially was airdropped to institutional financial backers and unfamiliar organizations, 18% was reserved for the engineer program, 14% generally was designated for business working assets, return on financial backer relations, lawful and charge counseling expenses, commission expenses, 20% was distributed for business funding including paying commissions, administration charges and credit reimbursement. 5% was dispensed for motivations. Does JASMY coin have a future? The fate of JASMY will rely on the development of its environment. In the event that the designers grow the biological system, there is a higher chance of a more promising time to come for JASMY. Could JASMY at any point especially arrive at $10? Taking a gander at the ongoing economic situation, it is exceptionally much improbable for JASMY to reach $10 in 2022 or even in 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. What will JASMY be worth 2030? It is profoundly challenging to anticipate the fate of digital currency as the market has been entirely powerless of late. Nonetheless, not many of the stages have anticipated the cost of JASMY to stay underneath 50 cents even in 2030. It should